Are you a bookworm? Let's find out. A bookworm is someone who likes reading books very much, and there are a lot of literary genres which have certain features. Listen, watch and remember. An adventure story is an exciting story about a hero who goes on an unusual journey and does new and dangerous things. A biography is the story of a person's life written by another person. A drama is a serious and emotional play written for the theater, television or radio. A fairy tale is a fiction story about magic, fairies, giants, witches with a happy ending. A humorous story is a funny story with a happy ending. A mystery is a story about a crime or a strange event that is difficult to explain. A science fiction story is about events that take place in the future or in space and usually describes strange creatures and robots. Excitement, adventure and mystery all make up the world of fiction, and here are some of the greatest names in fiction. Agatha Christie, Sir Conan Doyle, Jules Verne. Remember the new words: famous, neat, appearance, obsession, order, psychology, investigation, typical, at first glance.
Who was the Queen of Crime? Agatha Christie, of course, the world's best-known mystery writer. Agatha Christie was born in Devon, England in 1890, and she created many fictional detectives. The most famous are Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple. Hercule Poirot is a Belgian detective famous for his neat appearance, his obsession with order, and his use of psychology in his investigations of crimes. Miss Marple, on the other hand, is nothing like a typical detective. At first glance, she is an ordinary old lady who loves knitting and gossip, but she can solve the hardest of mysteries and puts many criminals behind bars.
Remember the new words: inspire, brilliant, extraordinary, solve, mysterious, case, faithful, intelligent, cape, magnifying glass.
Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was born in Edinburgh, Scotland in 1859. He studied medicine at the University of Edinburgh. It was one of his professors that inspired him to create the most brilliant detective ever, Sherlock Holmes. Holmes's extraordinary powers of observation help him solve the most mysterious cases, with the help of his faithful companion, Dr. Watson. Holmes is very logical and extremely intelligent. He wears a cape and hat, smokes a pipe, and uses a magnifying glass.
Remember the new words: imagination, several, 20,000 leagues under the sea, nautilus, strange, underwater.
Jules Verne lived in Nantes, on the west coast of France. He loved the sea, and when he was only 12, he tried to run away on a ship to the West Indies. Unfortunately for him, the sailors caught him and sent him home. Jules had a great imagination and wrote several adventure stories and created mysterious characters like Captain Nemo. In 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Captain Nemo travels under the sea in his submarine, the Nautilus. On his journeys, he meets strange sea creatures and finds an underwater city.